literally make my own candles that smell amazing and don't tunnel or fizzle out. Today I'm putting viral DIY candle recipes to the test, and trust me, not all of them are winners.
Welcome back to the DIY Lab. I'm Alvi, and this is the DIY experiment where I test trendy DIYs so you don't have to. Today, I'm making my own candles. Some recipes claim that they're super easy, super fragrant, and super cheap. So naturally, I'm testing 3 of them. Let's see which one actually works.
Here's what we're going to be working with today, and these are all of our ingredients. We're making a classic soy wax candle with essential oils, a coconut oil and beeswax blend candle, and a crayon-colored candle. Here's where it gets fun and messy, so enjoy. Okay, they've cured for 24 hours and now they're ready. Let's test scent throw, burn quality, and whether they'll actually stay lit. Okay, after 1 hour, candle 2, which is the coconut and beeswax candle, has a good little pull, but not as good. I expected it to do more. Candle 1, of course, is the soy candle. Look how beautiful that is and how it melted in 1 hour. It's even and it is a good candle. And now candle 3 said, okay, you know what? I give up. It's obvious that there are cracks right here in the candle and cracks on top. It just means that the candle wax was too hot. So if you ever have a candle that looks like this, what you can do is just put it on a candle warmer and just let it melt like that. But this one, it was a no-go. This one failed, okay? So here's the verdict. Candle 1 gave a good scent, but tunneled. Candle 2 was super clean and burning. And I was actually surprised by this one. And this last candle here, it ultimately failed the test altogether. My favorite,
Candle one. I love a good soy wax candle with essential oil in it. But because I didn't have enough essential oil in this recipe here, I'm going to tweak it a little better next time. If you're planning to make candles as a gift or for your business, test a few small batches, as in different candle jars, different wicks, and also different candle wax. It makes all the difference. Subscribe for next week's experiment. We're making those crystal shaped trendy soaps, and things might get slippery.